Hello everyone, I'm Rajlakshmi from South Engineering College. I'm going to propose my mini project was AI powered smart health band for stress and emotional monitoring. The introduction is the mental health disorders, particularly stress, anxiety, and depression, have become major public health conditions globally. Now, in real day phases, many people across all over age groups, including students, working professional, and older adults, face increasing level of psychological pressure, and this is due to the environmental conditions. And despite growing awareness, early detection, continuous monitoring of mental health conditions remain difficult due to the lack of accessibilities or real time or non invasive assessment tools. Our product SWAS propose a smart wearable based mental health band monitoring system designed to bridge this gap. It focuses on continuously monitoring the physiological signals to assess stress and emotional well-being without interrupting the user's daily routine. By leveraging RPPG remote photophysiomography and IoT enabled wearable sensors, SWAS captures vital indicators such as heart rate variability and stress related patterns, which are closely associated with the mental health. This system includes a wearable band, intelligent signals, and AI powered web applications to provide a real time visualization, stress analysis, and alerts. Data is securely transmitted to cloud backend for processing and allowing users and caregivers to receive timely notification for informed decision making. This is the architecture diagram for our project. So first we will take all the sensors, that is the all the type of all the type of sensors that can be gained from the hardware as well as the webcam, that is RPPG camera, HRV, accelerometer, and EDA, temperature, and voice tone. In the case of voice tone, only the voice tone is recognized and the voice content. So the security and security of the voice, the security and the authentication of that feature is very much properly secured. And these biosignals are pre-processed by removing the noise and normalization and removing all the extra noise, and it will be transferred to an AI interface, and it has ML model and emotional classifier, MSM model, and conference scorer. And using this, they will detect the abnormality or any other variability in the process, and it is also stored in the backend. And the backend APIs are JWT auth, which will be taking care of the authentication authorization of authorization of the app. And these metrics will be displayed in the monitoring system in a web based as well as the web based application as well as the mobile based applications. These the mobile app it will monitor the system health, and the mobile app have the dashboard, trend starts, alerts, and SOS alerts, and also the calming feedback. It also gives us the feedback if there is an abnormality, and also it gives an SOS message to the our close circle, so that they can get to know and they can reach out to us if even if we can't. And these data are stored in a database. These stored in a proper securitable database. This is this is the implementation of a project. Uh, index uh, yeah, the whole project is based on the TypeScript, JavaScript, TypeScript, as well as JSON files. And the first the main files for this is typescript file. So this is the entry point, and the starts the React app and mounts it in the browser DOM. And the entry point that boots the this is the entry point that boots the entire React applications. And this is the app is the main router or the layout. This will be making us to take the applications into various web pages. So it has the path for the dashboard and RPPG camera as well as the patient's dashboard. And the patient's profile, this is the for the patient, this will display the individual patient details. It will show us the health trend analysis using the SVG charts. And they will be displaying the anxiety, depression, stress, and current and historical values from the date they have been measured. And these components, these files are drawn like line files. And they accepts datas and colors as props. And the next is rppg camera. rppg camera is the rppg camera is used to get the is a web camera that will analyze our skin tones, and it will be taking into a point, and it will use to estimate heart rate. And it extracts the green signals and stores the signals, and detects the peak to calculate the bpm. It is a non-contact heart rate calculator that is used by using that is detected by using camera and signal processing. This is the proper That is a back end and the front end, and these are the most important files we use to create this web application. On running the web application we will create the On running the web application we will create the app. This is the app which is So this will be our this will be our website. This is a prototype, a small prototype that will take care. That will be normal base prototype for our project. So there will be a registration website, registration as well as a login. First, I have already registered, so I'll go login. On logging in, I'll go to my dashboard. On going to my dashboard, there'll be two options like open rppg camera analysis and while sample patient profile. So I'll go to the first camera analysis. On clicking the start camera, the camera will be turned on, and and using the camera rppg rate, the heart rate will be analyzed through the green signals, and it will be recorded here. And the recorded samples date will be shown here, and these live signals are used to estimate the bpm. The live signals will be the live signals will be showing it like this. This will be live signals, and there will be 300 for example, if there is a 300 samples, using the 300 samples the bpm estimation will be done, and it will be stored. And these all 300 signals, or or how many ever signals, these will be stored in the backend. And and these data will be stored and analyzed and and it will be shown in the patient report. So this will be a patient report, and it will be the age and the last visited details, last visited for this profile details, and the historical mental health metrics using the SVG graph as mentioned before. Anxiety, depression, and stress. The three graphs are given here based on the timing as well as the date, and also the current metrics, that is above for the five, how many stress, depression, as well as the anxiety has been noted from the start to until the date of analysis using the live rppg camera. So this is the basic prototype. We also will integrate the hardware, which is the wearable watch that will be directing directly from the physical contact, and it will be an accurate measurement, and the analysis will be going on, and off of the analysis will be going on inside the watch, so that the security will be proper, and it will be transferred to our application, where using an AI ML it will be analyzed, it will be processed, and the pure analyzing report will be shown here. So instead of that, hope you like the project and hope you have some idea about the project. Thank you.